Okay, we're on the Highline, which is an old subway track, which they turned into a greenway. Right here at the beginning of it, we have the Whitney Museum, which we saw from Little Island, which is right over there. Basically, we walked across the street, came over to the Highline, and we're going to walk up the Highline a little bit. It's nice. It's very verdant. A lot of trees, bushes. I don't know. Okay, here's we're on the Highline. This is the Roosevelt Hotel, which apparently was very trendy way back when. We're right at the beginning. It started around West 12th Street, right over by the Whitney. And this is, you're looking into Greenwich Village. And here we're looking north. Not much to see here. Okay, you see the old railroad tracks here on the Highline. Still walking up the Highline. This is West 15th Street. Got a little bridge going across the road there. That's pretty interesting. A bunch of bikes for rent. And just some food over here. Maybe we get something. Food. Okay, you have the food court there, so to speak, and then there's some stuff for sale. Little artwork. Some pretty cool stuff here. And keep walking on the Highline. We were wondering what this was here. It's got a tree growing up out of the top of it. That's funny. If you want to sit and watch the traffic, we could do that. Still walking on the Highline. This way. Coming from that away. Noticed another little view of the Empire State Building as we walk up the Highline. Past the barrel buildings. Barrels of beer buildings. We got something on the Highline here. It looks like a metronome, but we'll have to see what it does. Then and now. I don't know what that means. All kinds of trees down here. Yeah. Manhattan is full of strange looking buildings these days. You're walking out on the Highline around a little bit above 23rd Street. Looks like there's a restaurant here, and you could watch some musicians play. Is that a restaurant? A school. Oh. Yeah, so it looks like there's a school cafeteria here. People go in and eat. I guess they put that up to take advantage of the Highline so you can see what's going on. Interesting. So here we are on West 26th Street. Looking east. Used to be a subway here. Oh. And then looking west. I worked here 30 years ago. It was that dark building right over there on your left. Son of a gun. Still got printing people here. International Printing Center. Yeah, I was working with a typesetting company. Oh well. That was a long time ago, back in the 80s. And now we have the Highline. And the Highline. You're still on a Highline. Got another strange building. Yeah, we're getting close to Harbor Yard, I think. We have more strange buildings. Let's get that one way up there. Here it is. that structure, which I don't think they're letting people up on anymore for the time being, because people go up there and they jump off. Quite a few people have already committed suicide jumping off the structure. So here we are at the vessel, V-E-S-S-E-L. I don't think you can go up there anymore because, like I said, people have been jumping off. So I guess the Highline ends here at Hudson Yard. Yeah, I see it goes down to street level, right down there. Okay, so we're not going up there. What's that? But I think we're going to take a walk inside the stores at Hudson Yards. 20 Hudson Yards. The shops at Hudson Yards. Okay, going into Hudson Yards. Uh-oh, here we go. Dun, 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 dun. Oh. Cartier. Dior. Toots. Okay, so now we're in Hudson Yards. Looking at the different stores. Got the Rolex here. Fendi. Louis Vuitton. Okay, I got it from the extra. It's Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton. How about Patek Philippe? Patek Philippe. Ooh, Patek Philippe. Sweet. Kenzo. So I just want to walk them on a little bit. Oh, Coach. And next to Coach, across the street here, is Kate Spade. Ooh. Etc., etc., etc. Ooh. Genesis. Oh, it's a new electric car, isn't it? Competing with the Tesla. Okay. Ooh. And a hatchback, I like that. Okay, so we're at 10th Avenue and 31st Street, right at the bottom of Hudson Yards. And that's the end of the Highline right there, you see up above. So we're going to leave here, and that's it for this part of the video. All right, so here we are at 10th Avenue and 31st Street.